Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to give you the solutions regarding week 6 of IoT assignment. So please watch the video till the end without skipping. And friends, I am trying to give you the preparation video after the completion of the course just before your exams. So to summarize all the assignment videos in one video, so it has resulted in great favor towards all the students taking the exam. I have given the similar video in past, you can refer to that now, or you can wait for new summary video for preparation. So many students messaged me that the video was very helpful. Just by seeing the video they have achieved 60 or more than 60 marks. So let's get into the video. So coming to the first question, in Python programming, what is used to indicate the different blocks of code? The answer for first question is option B, indentation. So mark option B as correct answer for first question. Coming to second question, how many data types does Python support? Python supports 5 data types. So mark option C as correct answer for second question. So mark option C. And third question, what is the keyword for else if condition in Python? In Python, else if is represented as elif. Elif represents else plus if. So it means elif. That is option D. So mark option D as correct answer for third question. Coming to fourth question, what is the keyword for ending the current iteration of a loop and start a new iteration? So the answer for fourth question is option B, continue. Actually we have to clarify what is break and what is continue. Break means just ends the current iteration and get out of the loop, but continue means it ends the current iteration, means it skips the current iteration and continues the next iterations as usual, but not continuing the just current iteration. It just skips the current iteration and goes for the next one, but break ends the all iterations and get out of the loop. So answer is option B, continue. Fifth question, how are functions with written values defined in Python? The answer for fifth question is option C, def, DEF. And sixth one, what are variables that are declared and has its scope within a function in Python called? The question means the variables which are declared and also has its scope within the function but not outside the function. In these functions are these functions in which these variables are declared and has scope within the function is called as local variables. If it has outside the function, it is called global, but for this question the answer is local variable, option B. So mark option B as correct answer for sixth question. And coming to seventh one, which of the following arguments is used for both file read and write operation in Python? The answer is R plus, that is option A. Answer is option A for seventh question. And for eighth question, which of the following communication modules does a Raspberry Pi device support? Actually they have directly given Ethernet but it supports Bluetooth and Bluetooth as a part of Wi-Fi, means wireless communication. So the answer I am going with option D, but if you are confident with option only option A, then please comment in the comment section regarding the correct proof so that we can sort out that and give our viewers a final answer. But I am going with option D, all of these, but it could be also option A. Any of option A or option D will be the correct answer. So for ninth question, what device does this image represents? It is simply a fruit called raspberry. So it simply represents Raspberry Pi. So mark option C as correct answer for ninth question. 10th question, for enabling a Raspberry Pi camera, which option to select after Raspi config? The answer for 10th question is option B, interfacing options. So mark option B as correct answer for 10th question. And next question, that is 11th question, Raspberry Pi, what is the command for capturing an image? The answer for 11th question is option D, Rapistill. So mark option D as correct answer for 11th question. And 12th question, in a DHT22 sensor, which pin number gives null? The answer is pin 3, that is answer is option C, pin 3 gives null in DHT22 sensor. And 13th question, for a downloaded Python library in raw format, for example GitHub, here instance, remember that instance and example are same in meaning. What is the Python command to install package in Raspberry Pi terminal? The answer is option A, sudo python setup.py install. Sudo python setup.py install. So mark option A as correct answer for 13th question. Coming to last but one question, that is 14th question, what is the Linux command for listing contents of a file? This word simply gives you the answer, listing, that is ls. So mark option B as correct answer for 14th question. Coming to the final question, that is 15th one, true or false? The Raspberry Pi device supports only the Raspbian OS. It is absolutely false, because Noob is also a operating system that Raspberry Pi supports, and there are other third-party apps. So answer is false. So mark option B as correct answer. I am going to submit these answers. So friends, this is the video. Hope the video is helpful for you, and I will try to continue all these videos until the final week, and I will give the final preparation videos. So don't miss that, and keep supporting our channel. Subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends. Until then, be safe, be happy. Thank you.